Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your FamZoo Prepaid Card so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new FamZoo Prepaid Card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card, account details, and any required personal information ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official FamZoo activation website at famzoo.com/activate or log into your FamZoo online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number and other requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the customer service number provided with your card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details and any required information. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message online or during your phone call. Your FamZoo prepaid card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.